Jesus lizard. This is a Jesus lizard. They are lizards that can walk on water.
Now it's gone.
No, I can see it. They are very cool. They can walk so fast. They can walk on water.
Okay, now put it back in the
Did you know that? I guess you didn't.
Is it gone?
Nope.
Okay. Case.
There was a girl a couple minutes ago.
Okay, we need to put it back down.
But she ran off.
I think he ran off.
As you can see, they're big. Okay. Over and out. Over and out. Okay, zoom it up. Over and out. I'll turn it off.
Still recording!
1 minute.